Rust is one of those problems that starts small, looks harmless, and then quietly eats away at your car, tools, metal furniture, or even household equipment before you realize how serious it has become. The good news is that not every rusty spot requires an expensive repair shop visit or a full replacement. In many cases, you can fight rust at home with a few cheap items you probably already have sitting around the garage. In this video, we are breaking down 6 cheap DIY methods to remove rust, how each one works, and when to use them for the best results. Stick around until the end because method number 2 costs only $1, but it removes rust from your metal part almost instantly. Let's dive in. Method number 6, white vinegar soak. One of the easiest and cheapest rust removal tricks is a white vinegar soak, and this one is perfect for small, removable metal parts. Standard vinegar contains about 5% acetic acid. That gives it a pH of roughly 2.5. That acid reacts with rust to turn it into iron acetate, which dissolves right into the water. This acidic quality of white vinegar makes it especially useful for bolts, nuts, hand tools, battery trays, lawn equipment, and small brackets that you can safely submerge. Follow these steps to remove rust from your metal parts using vinegar. Step 1. Place the rusty item inside a plastic container and pour in enough white vinegar to completely cover it. Step 2. Allow the part to soak for 6 to 24 hours, depending on how severe the corrosion is. Step 3. Once soaked, remove the part and scrub it thoroughly using a wire brush, steel wool, or a stiff nylon brush until the rust flakes off. Step 4. Rinse the metal with clean water. Step 5. Now dry the metal immediately with a towel or compressed air. Step 6. After drying, apply primer, paint, or a light coat of oil to prevent flash rust from forming. The entire process usually costs under $5. That make it one of the cheapest rust removal methods available. Pro tip: don't leave soft metals or thin sheet metal in vinegar for days, or the acid will start eating into the clean metal underneath. Method number 5, baking soda paste. What if the part is too big to submerge, or you are working on delicate steel? In such case, vinegar will run right off vertical surfaces. That's where baking soda comes in. Baking soda is a mild alkaline compound with natural abrasive qualities. It sits at an alkaline pH of 9. More importantly, its hardness rating on the Mohs scale is only 2.5, while steel is a 4 to 5. That means baking soda is hard enough to scrub off iron oxide, but physically impossible to scratch your steel. To use this method to remove your metal rust, follow these steps. Step 1. Combine 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water until it turns into a thick paste. The paste should be spreadable, not watery. Step 2. Now apply that paste directly onto the rusted area and cover the surface evenly. Step 3. Let it sit untouched for 60 minutes so it has time to loosen the rust. Step 4. Scrub the area with a toothbrush, soft brush, or scouring pad, using circular motions to lift the corrosion away. Step 5. Repeat the paste if needed, especially if the rust is still visible after the first round. Step 6. Rinse the part clean and dry it thoroughly so moisture does not cause new rust to form. This technique works exceptionally well on chrome trim, license plate brackets, battery terminals, bicycles, and small rust spots before they become severe. 1 box of baking soda costs only a couple of dollars and can treat dozens of rusty areas. That make it one of the most budget-friendly maintenance tricks available. While it won't remove heavy scaling, but it's excellent for preventing small rust spots from becoming expensive repairs later. Method number 4, lemon juice and salt. When vinegar is not strong enough, we combine citric acid with sodium chloride. Citric acid in lemons has a pH of approximately 2.0. That make it 3 times more acidic than vinegar. The salt acts as 2 things: a physical abrasive scrubbing media and a chemical catalyst that accelerates the breakdown of iron oxide. Together, They create a surprisingly powerful natural rust remover without the harsh fumes found in many commercial chemicals. To use this method, follow these steps. Step 1. Sprinkle a generous layer of salt over the rusty area. Step 2. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the salt until saturated. Step 3. Allow the mixture to sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours so the acid has time to loosen the corrosion. Step 4. After soaking, scrub the area with a sponge, soft wire brush, or old toothbrush until the rust lifts away. Step 5. Rinse the area thoroughly with clean water. Step 6. Dry the surface immediately and apply wax or protective oil if the metal will remain exposed. This method is especially useful for chrome tools, bicycles, decorative metal parts because it is gentle yet surprisingly effective. Best of all, the ingredients are already found in most kitchens, meaning the total cost is often less than $3, that make it one of the cheapest environmentally friendly rust removal methods available. Method number 3. Aluminum foil and salt water. Got rust on chrome? Do not use a steel wire brush, because in this way, you will scratch the chrome plating beyond repair. Instead, use standard aluminum foil. Aluminum foil works as a softer abrasive, which means it can scrub away rust without being as aggressive as heavier sanding tools. To use it, follow these steps. Step 1. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of salt into 1 cup of warm water. Step 2. Roll a square of household aluminum foil into a loose ball. Step 3. Dip the foil into salt water and rub gently over the rusted chrome. Make sure a steady rubbing because it works better than aggressive force. Step 4. Periodically wipe away the dark gray aluminum oxide paste. Step 5. Wipe dry with a clean microfiber and apply automotive wax to seal. This is one of the cheapest methods on the list because the materials cost almost nothing. Method number 2. Citric acid. If you want stronger results than vinegar without using harsh industrial chemicals, then citric acid is one of the best DIY rust removers you can buy. In fact, many restoration enthusiasts and mechanics prefer citric acid because it removes rust 2 to 3 times faster than household vinegar, while being biodegradable and much less aggressive than strong mineral acids. Here is how to use citric acid to remove rust from your metal. Step 1. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of citric acid powder per liter of hot water in a plastic bucket. Step 2. Submerge the rusty metal part and allow it to soak for 2 to 12 hours. You will often notice the solution turning brown as the rust dissolves into the water. Step 3. Pull the bare gray steel out and scrub lightly under tap water. Step 4. After cleaning, dry the part immediately and apply primer, paint, or a protective oil to prevent flash rust. A 1-pound bag of citric acid usually costs between $8 and $15, but it's enough to clean bolts, screws, tools, small machine parts, and other metal items that can be soaked in a liquid solution. For many DIYers, citric acid is one of the best middle ground rust removers because it is effective, affordable, and easy to control. Method number 1. Rust converter. If the rust has already started eating into the metal and you can't remove every last speck, then a rust converter may be your best option. Unlike ordinary rust removers that dissolve corrosion, rust converters contain chemicals such as tannic acid and polymer binders that chemically react with iron oxide and transform it into a hard, black protective layer that can be primed and painted. Because it slows corrosion without requiring complete metal replacement. To rust converter, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove all loose rust with a wire brush or scraper. Step 2. Now clean the surface thoroughly to remove grease and dirt. Step 3. Apply the rust converter evenly using a foam brush or spray bottle. making sure every rusty area is fully coated. Step 4. Let it sit for the amount of time listed on the product instructions, because the chemical reaction needs time to work. Step 5. Watch the rust change color, usually turning dark black as it converts. Step 6. Allow the surface to cure completely before painting or sealing it. A single bottle of rust converter typically costs between $10 and $20, yet it can treat multiple rust spots around your vehicle that makes it one of the best values for DIY repairs. For anyone dealing with rust that has already started to bite into the metal, Rust Converter is one of the smartest ways to stop the damage and prepare the surface for long-term protection. Keep in mind that rust converters don't repair holes or restore missing metal. They simply stop existing corrosion from spreading. That's all for this video. Now, your part is completely rust-free. Which of these 6 methods worked best for you? Drop a comment below and let me know what rusty project you are tackling this weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.